Have you ever booked a cruise and later realized you overpaid? Cruise Radar fixes that. It's a free browser extension that works right on the cruise line sites you already use. In today's quick walkthrough, I'll show you how to install it, use it, and set up price alerts so you never miss a great deal again. Let's go ahead and jump into the screen and I'll show you how it works. Alright, go ahead and head over to the Chrome Web Store. I'll drop the link below and hit Add to Chrome. You'll get a quick confirmation pop-up. Just click through and you're done. I'd recommend pinning it here so it's handy. Just click the puzzle piece up here, find Cruise Radar on the list and pin it. When you click the drop down, it'll show you deals tracked, how many you've checked today. You can also visit the allaboarddeals.com website, see our best deals, and visit your track sailings. You can start using it right away, no account needed, but if you want price alerts or to save a watch list, it takes 10 seconds to create an account. Let's go ahead and get started. On this first screen, you can kind of see how it works. It's got some more information about how we track prices and deal drops. On the second screen, you'll see a little bit more information about where the extension works. I'm going to go ahead and sign up for an account. Since I already have an account, I'll just fill this in here. But if you need to sign up, just click on this button here and input your information to create a free account. I'll go ahead and sign in. Now let's head over to any of the supported sites, Royal Caribbean, Celebrity, MSC, and search just like you normally would. I'll go ahead and search for a Caribbean cruise. Once the results load, you'll notice something new here, a deal score badge right next to the prices. Deal scores run from 0 to 100. It's telling you how today's price compares to what that exact sailing usually costs. Higher score equals better deal. Hover over any of the badges and you'll get a quick breakdown. Current price, average price, and the lowest it's dropped recently. Click on the badge, see the full panel. You get price history, charts, trend lines, clear view of where today's price sits compared to the past highs and lows. Be sure to check the different cabin types. Sometimes you'll find a balcony is a better value than an interior cabin. If you're not ready to book yet, go ahead and click Track for price drops. Pick your cabin type and set how much you want it to drop before we send you an email. 5%, 10%, pick whatever you're comfortable with. Once it's tracking, we'll email you if it hits that price point. All your tracked sailings will live in your watch list. Just click on the extension icon up here. And you can head over to My Tracked Sailings. It'll take you to your account page where you can look at the watch list. On this page, you'll see some more information about the departure date, cabin type, original price, and target price. It'll also have your alert threshold. You can edit any of these by clicking on the pencil icon and clicking the drop down, and it'll automatically update. If you've already booked a cruise, but you're hoping the price drops, this is where Cruise Radar Pro comes in. Most cruise lines have rebooking policies. If the price drops before your last payment, you can rebook your cruise and get a better deal. So it's basically free money if you set an alert and the price drops. To set a rebook alert on any sailing you've already booked, head to your account and click on Rebook Fares. Add your departure date and the ship name to search for your sailing. From here, you can select your cabin type and how much you paid. This is per person per night. And then you can select your drop price threshold and it'll tell you down here below what the sailing will have to hit before it emails you. Click on Set Alert, and you're done. Remember that feeling of wondering if you overpaid? With Cruise Radar, now you'll know. The link is below. Install it before your next search and let the data do the work.